Hi guys, welcome to another fish room update. So we have a few new bits and pieces in the fish room and a few more plans in the pipe work. So I guess we'll just run over all the aquariums and point out anything new as we go. Firstly, we've upgraded our camera from an iPhone 6 to a Nikon and remortgaged our house to pay for it. Hopefully the quality of this video has improved from the previous videos, but it only arrived yesterday, so it's a bit daunting with all the configurations and buttons. Let's just hope it doesn't end up as a disaster. I guess we'll find out.
Let's begin, shall we?
The first aquarium in the fish room is our 300 litre, or as the Americans prefer, 65 gallon stack Endler aquarium. As I've mentioned in the past in previous videos, these are our absolute favourite strain of Endler or guppy. There isn't much new in this aquarium right now, but we have scheduled it for a makeover. Basically, I said to the missus, this looks naff. She said, yeah, let's redo it. I said, cool, and got to spend 200 quid on our credit card for new decorations. I guess that's just one of the perks of having a partner who loves the hobby as much as you do. So yeah, we've brought a ton of decorations to redesign it. We're just waiting on some floor tiles now to arrive before we can start. So basically, we're going to attempt being the word, to theme the aquarium as a kind of patio garden scene. All of the guppy grass is going to go, and we plan to use floor tiles that look kind of like miniature patio tiles on the bottom. Around 50% back into the aquarium, we're going to build what we hope will look like a kind of authentic brick wall. It's going to be around 30% high. It most likely won't look anything like a brick wall, but we're going to try. Behind the wall, we're then going to dump all the substrate and plant a couple of very easy to maintain aquarium plants that don't require CO2 or in general have any high demands. The plant should then grow to the top of the aquarium, kind of like a woodland behind a garden wall. That's in theory anyway. The main plant we'll be using to achieve this goal is called Hydrophilus simensis, which kind of looks like a tree.
No, it doesn't. It looks nothing like a tree.
Okay, it kind of looks tree-ish. To be honest, most aquarium plants in general don't look like trees, but it's probably the most tree-like available.
Okay.
I'll put a picture on the screen so you can agree or disagree. If anyone watching this video knows of any low maintenance tree-like aquarium plants, please let us know in the comments. So then we're going to take some miniature plant pots and place them at the front of the aquarium / patio. Probably put in some crypts, and that's as far as we've got so far. Maybe an artificial grass patch. Yeah, we'll come back. Once the aquascape's complete, we'll be keeping it as a stack Endler aquarium, but we are planning to have what's called a hard cull. So that means only 2 to 3 of the best males and 10 to 12 of the best females will make it back into the aquarium. And just to be clear, when we say cull, that doesn't mean that we're going to kill anything. We don't kill fish. They will be rehomed or palmed off to someone, most likely my sister. And that's it for this one, so moving on to next. This one houses my partner's personal favourite, the little backlace guppy. And of course we have the aquarium carp Cory shrine above it, although I'm starting to think this is a potential fire hazard, so can we move to artificial candles, baby?
Yeah, I think that might be wise.
Yeah, because I don't really want to die in bed one night from burning to death. So, not much new in this aquarium currently. Just try and get a bit of a close-up of the metal black lace.
Ugh, these are horrible.
But arrived today, we do have some orange Neo Caridina, which my partner is literally about to add. Do you want to add them?
Okay, this side?
Yeah, this side, please.
They're not very nice.
And we'll give them a little bit of chance to colour up.
It's supposed to be orange pumpkin sakura. They really don't look
good. Tip them in.
Oh shoot.
They look quite nice in the aquarium. I think they've been for a lot, so we might want to feed the fish some extra food as well to stop them
I don't think I'll eat
predating
these.
on them.
They're a bit big for them.
They should be okay.
Ugh, these two are stuck. Come on now, come on.
Let's see if I can get close in on one.
Very nice.
So, orange Cura.
Slash pumpkin. Oh.
Yeah, that,
Fish are going for it.
yeah, that guys. Can you put in some extra food?
Okay, don't think.
I mean, generally find that guppies and endlers are fine with shrimp, but just because they've been newly added, we only took out what the last
Bloody Marys.
Bloody Marys. Yeah, Bloody Marys, and he was fine. Is that just initial adding them to the aquarium?
Hopefully they brighten up a bit. They're supposed to be bright orange.
I don't know. That looks pretty nice to me. That one. Yep, so that's that aquarium. And what's changed with that? Not that much, but new addition. Above the crystal red shrimp is our another Nano aquarium, which is 90 litres. This houses one of our experiments, which is a yellow tiger Endler cross metal black lace guppy. We're going to do a separate video on these guys. You can't really see them very well, so they definitely deserve their own video. It's mainly because we have so much dwarf water lettuce at the top, taking all the light, so you can't really see.
As well as all the guppy grass.
Yeah. But if you could see, it doesn't want to focus, it's just too dark, so yeah, we'll come back to these guys in another video. At the bottom of our little racking unit, our homemade racking unit, which is terrible, to be honest, we have another little experimental tank, which is a 90 litre Nano aquarium. There's not that much to see in here right now. What we're doing is, if I can find it, I think it's just, there's a lot of babies. Basically what we're doing is we are crossing a white Moscow male guppy with female Stag Endlers, just to see what the outcome would be. Again, we like to experiment across different strains with other strains, see what happens. I think we can see, yeah, in the back there's a male white Moscow. And there's a couple of female Stags somewhere. But these are all babies, so we should see how they turn out in about another month. Yeah.
What?
Be interesting. Here we have our 94 litre largest Nano aquarium. Houses our favourite prized Stag Endler male. There's about 8 females in here which we raised from fry. Kept them separated from all the other males so we could ensure that they were virgin. They've all dropped their own fry now. We're waiting for them to drop one more batch, and then what we're going to do is remove all the adult females put them with the rest of our stair Endler colony, raise the fry, and then breed the females back to the male to really set his traits into the line. The other things we have in here are the white spotted rabbit snails and some jade green, Neocaridina. So yeah, nothing particularly new apart from a lot of fry. Next over we have our 450 litre showcase aquarium, which mainly consists of cyprinids. The only thing we've added new to this is some false flying foxes, which we didn't order. We've made about 3 orders now from different places, and we keep getting sent these garrafish that are the false flying fox. What we want is the true flying fox, but no matter how many times we try, they keep sending us these garra, which are nice fish, but we didn't really want 8 of them because we keep having to try different places, and we've built up 8 now, so yeah.
Winner, loser. Winner, loser.
Next we have our blonde blush double sword grow out tank. Most of them are adults now. We have some yellow rabbit snails in here also. They've been breeding. You can see there's 2 babies at the back there. Yeah, not much new here. We did add some blue jelly Minnows to this tank today. It was pure accident. We were just having them floating on the top, getting the temperature up, but they ended up in the aquarium. And we haven't seen them since, so we're guessing they are an expensive meal.
Moving across to our next aquarium, again this is 90 litres. In this house is our long fin white cloud mountain minnows, although personally their fins don't seem that long to me. We also have some rescue rabbit snails, sold to us as rescue snails for the fact that their shells were super damaged. However, as far as rabbit snails go, these are actually doing the best for us in terms of breeding. As you can see, there's tons of baby rabbit snails on the glass. These guys literally live up to the phrase breeding like rabbits. We also have a few red rilly shrimp in here. Hopefully they'll breed up and form a nice colony for us. And last but not least, we have a white male Moscow guppy and a female metal black lace guppy. Another one of our breeding trials, so that will be interesting to see what they produce. And that's about it for this tank.
In this aquarium we received some new fish last week. They are the Vietnamese cardinal minnows that are very similar to the white cloud mountain minnow. As you can see, they're super tiny, so it's hard to focus in on them. And they will be going outside in one of our 2 koi vats in around another month, so that we can hopefully breed them. The white clouds will also be going out there, and possibly we'll be getting some more vats. Outside we have our 2 water vats. These are 450 litres each. The first one houses our Daphnia culture from last year, which has managed to survive. It's getting a bit dark, so I don't think you'll be able to see that. This one's new. Put some water lilies in there, just getting it ready for the white clouds in the summer. We'll possibly getting a 3rd one over there and putting some guppies or Endlers in it. Yeah, so they're new. Well, the second one is, and that's that.
Okay, so this brings us to the end of our fish room update. We currently are waiting on some new fish and shrimp, so we shall be making a video on these shortly. We currently have 114 subscribers, so my partner and I would just like to thank each and every one of you for taking time out of your day to subscribe to us. Until then, y'all take it easy. Bye.